Okay guys, so I've actually not been filming for so long, but I've been waiting for all these parts and the E30 is not even finished yet. But the reason for that is just waiting for stuff. So in the meantime of me not uploading, I've actually got really old. Look at me, that's how long I haven't been uploaded for. Seriously. No, I'm only joking guys. So basically I am back. I am now finally ready to work on the E30 because I've been waiting for so much stuff for this car. It's ridiculous. Like wing mirrors, they waited to be painted. Side skirts, they are now all painted. You'll probably see them on when I get, as you'll see in a minute. Look, my wing is not existing because I had an off cut down here which need to be welded on and painted. One of these, which go at the bottom of the wing, so I had to wait for that to be welded, and it's off to paint, so that will be done soon. But the main thing that I have got is, when I didn't film taking off all the struts for the air ride, because if you wanted to go see it, it's all on my TikTok, but I needed to wait for wheel bearings because they are just messed up. And then I've got everything in here that I need. Wheel bearings. I actually can't remember what I've actually ordered. But these are the main things here. Obviously with an E30, these need to be welded to the actual hub. They can't be, it's not like a normal car that you can just put coilovers in. But yeah, I had to wait for that. And yeah, just everything else just takes time. And while I was doing that, it was like one thing at a time, because doing it all at the same time was just stupid money. So I'm just doing it slowly. We also done a side quest on the S14 out there. We had to get some seats for it, which are here, which these will go in today, because obviously the bucket seat that was in here just fully was garbage, like absolute garbage. So stock seats going in. That one's been binned because that was horrid, so they're going in today. So yeah, let's get started on the E30, and let's just, oh, and I also had to get these as well, lower arms, and had to get new bushes because they were all shit, and I didn't want to put the air ride in with shit parts, if that makes sense. So let's get cracking. Let's open up this boot, and first things first, start putting all this stuff on, I guess. Not sure if this is going to be done in one video. I probably doubt it, but I'll do as much as I can today because I haven't uploaded in so long. But these are the mirrors. These have been painted. They're all dusty at the moment, but yes, let's get cracking. Let's get it done. Let's go. A lot of clearance around it, so that's the main thing. Up top you got all your adjustments, which is not too bad, but obviously I'll set it up when I need to get the other side on. I'm literally holding it like a baby. Do is do one side at a time, like get this side all done and then just bash out the other side, because otherwise if I do both at the same time I'll probably forget something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this old one, this manky arm, don't need that, and put this one in, put a new bush on and go from there. Let's go. The old one, just match it up with the old one, I suppose. on. Right, I have finally, after mad struggle, got these bushes on these arms because they were crazy to do, so I didn't really film it because it was struggling. And Elise and Kiba have been, look at Kiba, have been hustling with the seats, cleaning them up and getting them all ready. I had to re-thread the bolt holes because they were a bit mank, and it's time to put the seat in. So let's get that in right now. Let's go. Wants the seat. There we go. Perfect fit.
He's dying to get in the seat.
Kiva wants to sit in the seat. Come then, sit in the seat.
He can't. For God's sake. They're in. Let's go get that one out now.
You can sit in your car for the very first time. How mad's that?
I know. Get in, poor baby. Oh. Always forget.
And then twist it a little bit. There you go.
Oh god.
Kiva just wants to lay there all the time.
Keep his literally just hit all the time.
Yeah.
Why is this cable tied as well?
The whole car's cable tied, that's why you got to fix it. Okay, so all the bushings on, lower arms bolted on, shuttle ends bolted on, the middle piece is bolted on. All this is all ready, secure. Top is done and down there is done. So hopefully I can put the wheel bearing on and start putting this side fully together, and then I'll just bang the other side out and then we can start on with the other things. So I'm sweating because it's hot. And midway through S14 because she struggles. Look how she laid out the bolts for the seat.
What? That's how I know.
Oh, he was in there watching. Old seat's gone. That new seat's there, it's going in. Everything's happening. Everything's happening at once. Let's crack on. New wheel bearing is going to go on there, but I have to use this just looks horrid all together. You probably won't even see it, so I'll put that on, put this on, go from there. Thanking you so much.
Are you filming that?
Yeah, it is filming,
Oh my
but it's
God.
perfect, and that's how you do it. Who needs to press? Now my bearing's probably fucked now, but oh well. Now that is perfectly torqued to spec. Hugger dugger. Disc on. Christ. Oh! How did I even just touch that? Fucking, I just picked up a spider and I hate spiders. Oh, you can die, bitch. I literally just squished it and felt everything. Oh, makes you cringe. Oh, that baby is fucking, ugh. That's gross as hell. Front end is fully assembled, well not fully assembled, but the struts are on. all bolted on. The brakes are all on. I've done the both sides, so obviously you saw this side, done that side, and also this side is all done also. But the only issue is I would need to put the rears on, which is all here. I need to put the rear bags in, but I've only got 2 axle stands, so, and the 2 that I've got are on the front, and I need to get the rears off, so I'm quite stuck with that one. Okay, so I've got a new plan. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrap the mirrors. I'm going to do a side quest to Halfords and just get some axle stands and then bash these off and get these in. These need to happen. Yeah, so I'm going to run through to the local store and get some axle stands and just jack it up and get it all up, all wheels off. Hello mate, what are you doing? He used to work as dog, so that's the next plan. Let's go on our side quest. Right, I am absolutely sweating. We've got the 2 axle stands. Side quest is completed. They are now off the floor. Wheels are there and the other side. But this is a struggle because I'm trying to get this done with this little area of really shit tools because my gun's dying. But I've got to be grateful because I'm in the garage. I'm not in the street. So I am trying to get this done, but I feel a bit claustrophobic because I ain't got much room to play with in there. But next thing is the rear struts are coming out, rear springs are coming out, and all I've got to do is drop that, unbolt it from up there, and those springs should really just pop out. So let's get that done, let's get it out. I'm too excited to get this done. Let's go. Right, rear struts are about to come out. I'm going to get they're just under there. Oh, it's so dark you can't even see. They're under there anyway. They're in the boot, so I'll bash them off. That should drop and then the springs should come out, and then we can put in our brand new ones, which are all here. So that will go in, and then them. So let's get going. Let's go. After a sweaty, claustrophobic little, you know when you're working on a car and you're just all tight, that's just the worst thing. But they are on. If you can you even see that? It's a bit dark. But yeah, the struts are on and the bags are on. So next thing to actually figure out is all the harness, wiring, airlines, all that sort of stuff. So let me just get this out and have a look. Right, now this is going to be the hardest bit. I've got all of this here. Right, this is the management system. And then you've got the wiring harness and stuff in that, I believe. And then you've got the phone. This, however, these are like level sensors, but I don't think I'm going to put them in like just yet. Probably at a later date. And in here is all, oh the hell that is, all the bits and bobs and the airlines. Oh yeah, here's the harness. Oh. Okay, I can't get it out with one hand. This is all, there we go. All this. Now that's the bit I need to see what I need to do with, and obviously your lines. So that is probably going to be a next video, because that will take me a long time just to figure out what the hell is going on. But today we have made progress. We put the rears on, they're rubbish now. The fronts are all on. S14, got its seats in, had a good clean inside, the interior's looking great. I haven't fully showed you guys the interior, but it's all looking good in there now. Like, obviously we need to do some bits and still, like rear seat belts and stuff like that, but it's all looking good. So yes, S14 is getting there. E30 has got the major bits done to it that I needed to do. Next will be the harnesses and stuff like that, but this is going to be in the next video. So if you survived this long, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment of what you think is the best way of doing this if you've done something like this before. And yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.